Real quick, before anything else, this is not a get rich quick video. I'm not promising you anything. What I'm about to show you is literally the exact blueprint I use to get £10,000 a month. There's no hype, there's no secret tricks, just the actual path. And to the people who are already typing, oh, he just hates a 9 to 5, listen, I don't. I actually encourage people to keep their jobs while they build this, because that job is your cash flow. While you figure this out, this video isn't quit tomorrow. I'm gonna quit my job tomorrow. It's for people who already have an income and just want more money, more control over their time, and in the future, freedom. So if that's you, let's get straight into it. Listen, 7 years ago, I was working a normal job. Not only was it just a normal job, I was working at Amazon warehouse, which is the definition of selling your time for money. I was working 12-hour days, and I was doing 6 days a week. 40 to 50 hours was time and a half, and 50 to 60 hours was double pay. So I was using all my time to pull back. Back then, I think I was doing 60 hours a week, and I was getting a £1,000 a week paycheck, or £900. So I was making good money for my age when I was younger, and I was fine. I was not struggling, but I could see the cap. I could see that there was 50-year-old doing the same thing as me. I could see my future, and I could see my life in 10 years. I could see exactly what I was going to be doing. A job trades hours for pounds or dollars, and that's what you guys have to realize. Your mindset has to shift. Instead of thinking, how am I going to get a pay rise? You have to ask, what can I build that works without me actually clocking in? There are really only two models I point anyone towards, and I want to be upfront that they're different in nature. Model one is a cash flow business, a business that you can scale and sell repeatedly. This is steady cash flow. Every single month, similar income comes in. You do the work, you get paid, you scale it by either adding clients or selling more products. Early on, this was the Amazon, this was the weekly money. I knew I was getting £1,000 each week. But later on in my journey, when I tried to stop selling my time for money, I started my own eBay business, my own online sales business. This was also the cash flow business, which gives you a little bit more freedom, but you've got a taste for it now. Now you want complete, total freedom, and you have to go into the second business model to make that £10,000 a month. And this brings us on to trading, what you have been watching on the screen. This one's different. It's not linear, it's not guaranteed, and anyone who tells you it is lying to you. It has a real learning curve and a real risk of loss. What it can offer is, once you've actually built the skill, is income that isn't capped by hours at all. I didn't pick one over the other when I started. I used the cash flow business to fund my life while I learned trading properly. Without the pressure means you can fully focus and get to work immediately. And that order matters more than people think. But let's actually do the math, because vague numbers are how people talk themselves into bad decisions. On the cash flow side, £10,000 a month is 10 clients at 1,000, or 4 clients at 2,500, or 100 sales at 100. Written down like that, it stops looking impossible and starts looking like an actual checklist. Now, on the trading side, the math works completely differently. And this is where people get hurt. They see a percentage return and skip straight to, if I had 100,000, I'd make X amount. And that's backwards. The real maths is, what account size do you actually have, and what's a realistic return with a proper risk management? And does that number even matter yet, or are you still in the phase where the skill is worth more than the actual account size? Now, when you scale, in both cases, it isn't work harder. It's either raising your price or systemize the delivery, or grow your skill level so the same amount of effort produces a better result. Now, I want to be honest about the timeline, because in this day and age, social media, you're seeing the private jets, you're seeing the Lamborghinis, and they're saying they all made it in a few months, guys. That is not true. It took me years to get to a consistent $10,000 a month. Not my first month, not my third month, right? They were very, very flat months. And there were months I made less than my old Amazon paycheck because the markets were not in my favor. Realistically, the timeline looks like this. The first stretch is skill building, where you're making little to no extra money and it feels like nothing's working. Then there's a stretch where the cash flow business kicks in and starts covering more than your job did. And somewhere after that, if you've stayed disciplined, learned a skill, and there's a second income stream, trading, in my case, is where it starts to compound. And instead of just replace hours with hours, you finally get freedom and it's the month that you realize you haven't checked your work emails in weeks and nothing bad's happened. All you've seen is your portfolio go up and your day trader numbers absolute printing. And I know you guys are probably early 20s, late teenagers. I've got 10 years on you, so I know exactly what you guys are thinking. You want to retire your mom, you want to make money, you want to have the freedom and live the life that you choose. Yes, but it all starts with the mindset, which is what you guys already have watching and clicking on this video. And what's actually interesting is it's actually not about the money. It's more about the control. Being able to take Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday off, or being able to fly to Bali tomorrow because you can afford that and you do not have someone to ask for. So if you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Don't chase $10,000 a month because the number sounds good. Chase it because of what it actually gives you. It gives you back your time, your options, the ability to build a life instead of just surviving one. And if you want the actual system I use for the trading side of it, if you've already got your cash flow side, if you've already got a job and you have money that you can invest in mentorship, this stuff that took me way longer to figure out than it should have, I put it all into one place. It's linked below, and I keep the group small enough that I can actually mentor people, look at people's trades and give feedback, because that feedback loop is the part nobody else is teaching. If that's not for you right now, it's completely fine. Subscribe and like the video, because next week we have got a banger of a video dropping. I'll see you guys at the next one.